time and history. Very few monuments have fascinated humanity as much as the Great Pyramids of Giza. But more than 4,500 years ago, it remains one of the most extraordinary architectural feats ever achieved. How did an ancient civilization move millions of massive limestone blocks without modern machinery? What secrets are hidden still inside? So let us discover everything. So welcome to Something Something podcast. I am your host Tavish. Today we are going to reveal the secret of the Great Pyramid of Giza. Was it a royal tomb, a lost energy of source, or something even more mind blowing? So let's find out. Imagine standing in the scorching Egyptian sun, gazing up at the massive 146-meter limestone giant. Its smooth, white surface glistens as it reflects sunlight, making it visible from miles away. This is the Great Pyramid of Giza, one of the greatest engineering wonders of all time. Mind blowing facts about the Great Pyramids. Construction date: built around 256 BC during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu, also called Cheops. Size and weight: originally stood at 146.6 meters or 481 feet, but it has eroded to 138.8 meters or 450 feet today. Building material: made of 2.3 million limestone blocks, which weigh between 2 to 30 tons. Alignment: the pyramid is aligned almost perfectly to true north, precision that even modern buildings struggle to achieve. Hidden features: it still has secret chambers, tunnels, and shafts, some still unexplored. Even today, scientists, historians, engineers, architects, everybody is struggling to explain how ancient Egyptians built such a monumental structure with primitive tools. So, who built it? For years, Hollywood and popular cultures have spread a common myth. The pyramids were built by slaves, possibly even a lot of members from their community. Is that true? Evidence against the uh, theory that in 1990, Egyptian archaeologists discovered worker tombs near the pyramids. They were not like slave graves, but the workers were buried with honor, providing they were respected laborers, not captives about their members. Hieroglyphic records and titles. Egyptian inscriptions call pyramid workers friends of Khufu, not slaves. Some workers even had family members buried nearby, suggests they lived normal life, not as a slave. Excavation revealed a large worker village with breweries and medical facilities. Workers were well fed, eating a diet of beef, fish, bread, and beer, far better than slave rations. Conclusion: the pyramids were not built by slaves, but highly skilled Egyptian workers, masons, and engineers, and seasonal farmers who worked in shifts when the Nile flooded their lands. So, how was the pyramid was built? Now comes the biggest mystery of all. How did Egyptian move and position 2.3 massive stones? Leading theories on pyramid construction: straight or zigzag ramps. Some believe that Egyptians used straight ramps to drag the stones up, but this would require a ramp longer than the pyramid itself. More likely, the idea was a zigzag ramp that wrapped around the structure to reduce space and effort. Water lubricated sand technique. Scientists found that pouring water on sand reduced friction by 50%, making it easier to drag stones. Ancient paintings show workers pouring water in front of sleds, supporting this theory. Interior spiral ramps. French architect Jean-Pierre Houdin proposed that hidden ramps inside the pyramids were used to move the stones. This could explain some still unexplored internal shafts. Despite these theories, no single explanation fully solves this mystery. Did the Egyptians know a lost engineering secret? Then the hidden chambers and secret. The Great Pyramid isn't just an ancient wonder, it's also filled with mysteries that modern technology is still uncovering. The hidden features of the pyramid is that the queen's chamber shafts, small tunnels leading to nowhere, possibly a ventilation system or something more. The void, discovered in 2017, scientists use cosmic ray technology to detect a huge empty space inside the pyramid. Could it be the undiscovered chamber? Secret hieroglyphics. Tiny cameras found hidden markings inside shafts in 2011. Their meaning is still unknown. Could there be more secrets waiting to be found? Let's see. Myths and theories. No discussion about the pyramid is complete without exploring some of the wildest theories about them. Popular theories are aliens built the pyramids. Some claim that perfect angles and heavy stones are proof of extraterrestrial involvement. Others say that pyramids resemble an advanced star map and a lost civilization built them. Could an advanced civilization before the Egyptians have built them? Some believe in a lost civilization that predates history. The pyramid as an energy source. Some suggest that pyramid harnessed cosmic energy. They had like some kind of cosmic energy, and others claim that Tesla's wireless energy ideas were inspired by pyramid geometry. What? I don't think so. While mainstream scientists reject these ideas, they keep the legend of the pyramid still alive. So the pyramid, the Great Pyramid, is more than just a monument. It's a time capsule filled with mysteries, and who knows what future discoveries will be. So thank you for joining us with me for today, and until next time, stay curious and stay exploring. I am your host Tavish, signing off. Thank you.